This is what I make today. Seafood stick spring rolls. So, good morning, my YouTube family. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm cooking seafood stick. So I'll show you the ingredient I have for my seafood. On this plate here I have 3 packets of seafood stick. And seafood stick look like this. On this small plate I have 2 grated carrots, soya sauce, sweet chili. On this small plate I have 2 brown onion, 1 Scotch bonnet chili, 3 garlic, extra virgin olive oil because I love extra olive oil. On this plate here you have one packet of rice noodles, but you have to make sure you soak it with cold water for about 2 hours. And this is the packet of rice noodles. A packet is about 200 grams. Jumbo cubes, sea salt, ground black pepper. Now I'm gonna add my olive oil on the cooking pot, just a little bit. I'll leave it to get hot before I put my blended brown onion, chili, and garlic. Now I'm gonna put my chopped onion, garlic, chili. Then I'll stir for about 5 minutes before I add all my ingredients there, and plus seasoning, sea salt, soya sauce. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of soya sauce, dark soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Then stir it. Then add a pinch of sea salt, just a pinch. Then a pinch of black pepper, fresh ground black pepper. Then mix it. Now to add my rice noodles. Mix it together. Then add my grated carrot. Do the same process, mix it. Then add my seafood sticks. Repeat the same process. Mix it. Make sure it's mixed. Now I'm gonna add my jumbo tube, one jumbo tube. Do the same process, mix it together. Now my seafood stick is ready. Now I'm gonna dish it. That's my seafood sticks ready. Now I'm gonna leave it cool down a bit before I start preparing it. Now I'm gonna put my mixed seafood with rice noodles, all the ingredients. I'm gonna wrap it on this spring roll seed. Spring roll seed or pasty. First, I'm gonna put it here on a clean cloth, cover it. Then I'll take one seed at a time. I'll take out one seed, cover back again. Then I'm going to put my filling. Then I'll do like this. Bring the ends. Bring the other side end, a side end. Then wrap it, roll it. Then I'm going to use egg yolk with the brush. Yeah, that's done. Now I'm going to fry my seafood rolls. Now I'm going to take out these rolls. I'm going to put it here. Why I put it here? So that the tissue can soak the oil before I'll serve it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share the video with friends and family, and click on it. Do not forget to click on the notification bell. So if I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And also you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.